Good morning, and this is editing me, and I just wanted to add some disclaimers about this video. This is like a walkthrough of kind of what it looks like in my Zoom classes. This is like a very easy warm-up. Some days warm-ups are a little more aggressive. Some days they're nice and easy like this. We ended this warm-up with a combination to the Pehe Tautira, so that's like a nice little choreography set that you can just practice, get some basics in. I really like when my warm-up is like all basics and we just keep it simple, grounding ourselves, and then the choreographies for aparima, choreographies for oteas, for solos, whatever it may be, gets a little bit more detailed and difficult, but this is just a way to warm up your body and to check out what my Zoom classes are like. So I hope you enjoy. Have a good workout.
And back to the front, reach over, reach. Keeping everything mobile.
Coconut.
Last one, each side, lean to your right with your legs, left, right. And flow your hands with your body. All right, we're gonna hold to my right.
Coconut.
Hold. Switch. Switch. Last one. And run it out. Up. Keep that run up. Keep it up. We're gonna go ahead and hop 2 feet in place. Keep it up. Feet together. Shake it out. Up. Fly up. Suave. Hey.
Oh. 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 Coconut, 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 coconut,
Full roll. Push. Otamu. Tuck. 4, 3, 2. Keep it up.
coconut.
And rest. Good. Tahiti tama. Soft. Stretch. Good. Arms up. Let's keep those arms moving nice and strong. Stay low. Chin taller. Shoulders lower. Almost there. Behind your head. On me. Good. Switch. Pull the shoulders back. Keep it up.
If I tell you now,
Switch.
will you keep on loving me?
We're still warming up. Big baru, big baru.
Give me the sweetest taboo.
Relax your shoulders.
In love with you.
Yaudara.
You give me the sweetest taboo. Sometimes I think you're just too good for me.
Afata.
Na uoe e hani ne o maru. Here e ore e matara.
Above your head.
E amuri no atu ne o maru. Te tapu na tapu.
Come out there and sweat. Chin up.
Haere mai, tapiri mai.
Hug your body. In. In. 2. Up. 3. 4. Good. Shake it out. Stay moving. Let's speed it up. Here we go. Tahiti tamo.
Effen wahana hanamawi o Tahiti rahi o Tahiti nui Tahiti e Te bai uri rau e Effen wahana hanamawi o Tahiti rahi o Tahiti nui Tahiti e Te bai uri rau e
Move. Push, push. Here we go. Toma, toma. Double. Afata. Come back to me. Run it out. Up. Here we go. Medium full circle on the beat. Hey. Arms up. In. Almost there. Shake it out. Up. Feet together. Practice your para pu small tie. Push. Para pu tight right in the middle. Control your knees, your feet. Right foot pasya. Arms up. Switch. Back and forth. Run it up. Arms, arms.
Te bai uri rau e
Inhale, exhale. Last one on the left. Here. Go ahead and touch your shoulders. Shoulder. Switch. Two hands. We're opening the chest. Rest on your shoulders. Up. Okay. Push your hands up to the sky. Up. Stretch those shoulders. Open to the right. get them ready. We're gonna keep it up, feet together. Travel, move. Wherever you can. Freestyle hands. Keep moving. And opposite on me. Keep moving. Opposite side. Keep it up. Hey. Good. Okay, we're gonna stretch out our hips one last time using our opposite circle. The opposite circle that's comfortable for each of us. Good. Okay, we're gonna stretch out our hips one last time using our opposite circle. Deep into all those 4 points, sides and arching and tucking. Hey! Opposite. Focus on that weak side. We're gonna sit here for a while, so focus. Good. Keep it up. Opposite. Stay there. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Hands above your head. Push. Shake it up. All right. Okay. So we'll die together. We move from let's see. Let's try to push our body. So we're gonna go up into your vadu in the beginning. Your hands are gonna go on the right, low on the right, right arm long. Da 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 da. Right and right. Right down low, left down low, right and right. Paaraputak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Mouth out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Varu tei varu. Right here on the right. Da 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 da. And you're gonna amaha on the right. Forward step. Forward and back. Repeat. Right, 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 right. Bum, bum, bum. Feet together. Faarapu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna sit patya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So you just switch 3 times. Oh, your vadu. Make sure it's in the hips. Don't over tap your feet because you're on your toes, and do something distracting. Yeah? Twist right here. Da, 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 da. Really try to pull in those hips. Hands are on one side. right? Well, it's not really actually. Take that back. One arm is longer. Right first, left second. Strong tarava before you express open. Don't pull your shoulders in. Stay back on the mouth out. Okay? Here we go. We try together. I'm turning for visual purposes. You can face where you need to. Holding 1.